Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. The Input. Hope you will find this time we talk about They Will Kill You exclusive Tom Felton because he is off working with director Kirill Sokolov and Komar Dyer with Zazie Beats. And Tom Felton exclusively reveals the mood on the set of They Will Kill You. Read below, written by Ayushi Agrawal, journalist, published on 24 March 2026. Tom Felton has been a regular shopper in the thriller store, so when the casting of Devil Will Kill You arrived at the door for the actor, it seemed to be a no-brainer, or so he said. Speaking exclusively to Pankvilla, he revealed how his first chat with filmmaker Kirill Sokolov turned into an almost hour-long conversation about everything movies, which led to him signing the dotted line soon after. Talking about the fantastic time they had on the sets, Tom Felton revealed he is so sportive and he has also so much fun. He reminds me of a kid in a candy store where he's got all of the different flavors of sweets that he needs to create this incredible sweet that no one's ever thought of before. He has a youthful exuberance and he's just very excited by everything and he knows what this sweet flavor should be. So when he does not quite get it right, then he wants to collaborate with everyone to make it good what it should be. His excitement definitely fueled a lot of the cast and crew that they killed that and Krill's passion for filmmaking. But it was not all a cakewalk. Cakewalk for the 38-year-old who eventually learned the hard way to do things around the set. There is not a single reference that he gave me that I knew because it was always from these very obscure arthos films or things that I had to Google, which has been great for my passion and learning about filmmaking as well. For trying Kevin, a member of the Satanic cult, he had his work cut out for him, but it was Zazie Beetz who plays the protagonist, Asia Reeves, that made it possible. Sharing how it was like working with her. Tom Felton reveals Zazie amazing. She's obviously our hero of the piece, or she was also our hero on set. I have never seen an actor take on so much so effortlessly, not just the fact that she's in every single scene or she's in every single day. She's been beaten up. They have thrown her around the Virgil barefoot with swords and blood and sapphires and bruises, and she seems to take it all in her stride, which is inviolable because I would have been mourning a lord's honor, but it's a really respectful quality to have. Opening up on where it made working on the film an absolute joy for him. The actor revealed if she is as graceful and as hard-working as she is, then it makes the job a lot easier for the rest of us. But professionally, it's hilarious because we are sitting here talking about where she went on holiday last week or what she likes to cook at home, and then a minute later she's cutting someone's head off with a machete. So it's never a dull moment in the office. They Will Kill You drops in international theaters on 27 March 2026. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice